I'm Imran.
I'm Sophia.
Sophia, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure as well.
Where are you from?
I was born in Queens. I live in Brooklyn now.
Okay. So what do you do?
I work in fundraising.
Okay.
And my role is pretty much strategy and operations.
That's really cool. A little bit of my story. I grew up in a single parent household. I was the first generation to go to college in the United States. In doing so, I ended up racking up over $100,000 of debt.
Same. Growing up part of a family that was focused on survival, I never really learned much about finances until I experienced an issue with my own. Just knowing how much debt I was in and that it felt impossible spiraled into every other part of my life. One of my loans went into default, and that's when I started to really think about it would be easier if I just ended it all and let my mom take the insurance money and pay off my debt. That's why it's so important for me to share this with other people, because it's not worth it.